Good morning everyone. In last class we have discussed the different type of microorganisms which cause disease in human being. In today's class we have discussed the different type of microorganisms which cause disease in animals and plants. So we will discuss the animal and plant disease causing microorganisms. In animals bacteria and virus cause different type of disease. Bacteria causes anthrax. Bacteria causes anthrax in animal and human being both also. And virus cause mouth disease in cattle. So these are the bacteria microorganisms which cause disease in the animals. Now next is disease causing microorganisms in plants. In plants different type of microorganisms are found which is cause disease. First disease is citrus canker disease. This disease caused by the bacteria, and these bacteria are spread, means mode of transmission of this bacteria is air. This is spread by the air. Next is disease rust of wheat. Rust of wheat which is caused by fungi, and this fungi is spread transmitted by air and seeds. Now third is yellow bean mosaic of bhindi. This disease is found in bhindi. It is caused by virus, mosaic virus, and this virus transmitted or spread by the insect. So these are the different diseases which caused by the microorganisms in plants and animals. Now your chapter has been completed. Now we will discuss the question answer of your exercise. Now the first question of your exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of. How can we see the microorganisms? We can see microorganisms by microscope. So the first answer in the blanks is microscope. Second, blue-green algae fix. What fix will blue-green algae? Blue-green algae fix nitrogen. So in second fill in the blanks answer is nitrogen. Third, alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. So the answer of C fill in the blanks is yeast. Fourth, cholera is caused by bacteria Vibrio cholera. So the answer of D fill in the blanks is bacteria. Now second question, take the correct answer. First is yeast is used in the production of. Answer is alcohol. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. So the answer of A is alcohol. B, the following is an antibiotic. What is the antibiotic? So the antibiotic answer is streptomycin. So the answer of B is streptomycin. C, carrier of malaria causing protozoa. Who transmitted the protozoa? So the protozoa transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. So the answer of C is female Anopheles mosquito. D, the most common carrier of communicable disease. The communicable disease, so the answer of D is housefly. Next, E, the bread or idli dough rises because of the bread and idli dough rises through the yeast cell. So the answer of E is yeast cell. F, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. So the answer of F is fermentation. So this is the answer of your question number second. Take the current answer. So the answer of A is second, answer of B is second, answer of C is first, answer of D is second, answer of E is third, answer of F is third. Now question number third. Match the organisms in column A with their action. Column A match with column B. Column A, bacteria. So the bacteria cause cholera. Bacteria causing cholera. So the answer of first is E, causing cholera. Second is rhizobium. Rhizobium answer is A, fixing nitrogen. Rhizobium fix the nitrogen. Third, lactobacillus setting of curd, which is helpful conversion of milk into curd. Fourth, yeast answer is C, baking of bread. Fifth, protozoa causing malaria. Sixth, virus causing AIDS caused by the virus. So this is column A and the answer of is this. So I have write down the answer of column B. We don't match from by the cross way. We write the answer in the front of column A. So we write the answer of column first in the front of column A. So this is the answer of column A. These are three questions which have completed in this class. Remaining question from 4 to 10 we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.